If you want to take high resolution photos on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the best way to do so is by using the 200 megapixels camera mode. Of course, with this camera mode, we are using 200 megapixels as the name suggests, of course, and this provides the highest quality of photos. So we're gonna go into the details of the photo to see the resolution and some more. And as you can see, we have the results, and the size of the photo is really astonishing. It is 12,240 by 16,320 pixels. So that is quite huge. The file size also speaks by itself. It weighs over 20 megabytes, so quite a huge file for a photo, of course. So this is definitely the best way to make sure that the photos have the highest resolution possible. If you want to stick with the photo mode, the default one, then in that case, you want to at least make sure that the aspect ratio is set to 3:4, as this one provides the highest resolution possible. And of course, if you are looking for the Pro mode, then it is pretty much the same story. You can either choose the aspect ratio to be 3:4, or you can enable the Ultra HD 200 megapixels camera mode. So we're gonna also test the size of this one, and the Pro mode is pretty much the same in terms of the pixel size as well as the size of the file. So that is pretty much it. Essentially, you want to follow these two instructions when we are talking strictly about the resolution. That is the aspect ratio set to 3:4 or the 200 megapixel camera. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!